Hello, part 3 of our video.
Part 3.
Part 3, yeah.
Okay, now it's his turn. Now I'm gonna kill him with.
Yay!
Yeah, that last ranch stuff that did not go there well.
Okay.
Okay, so item 1. Where's your spoon?
Okay.
Where's the spoon? Okay.
Okay. I am going to put my hand over my face. Okay.
Okay. Item 1. If you guys can
See?
see it.
Because I can't.
If you guys can see what it is, it's kind of gross.
What?
Well, it's kind of gross. It doesn't taste gross. I like it.
Okay, I'd like to smell it.
Okay. No, I can't let you. You have to put this over your head, and I'll let you smell it. Cause I don't trust you.
There. I'm gonna
I don't trust
I'm
him.
gonna close my eyes.
Smell it. Okay.
Oh, and it smells like some kind of dressing.
Okay. Open.
Blech!
No, eat it. You have to eat it. No, you have to eat it. Okay. He didn't eat it, so he automatically loses 1 point because
What was that?
this, everybody, was refried beans.
Ah! I
Which
hate
she
that. That's
hates.
super gross.
Okay. Now I will wipe it off the spoon so he doesn't have to taste it on the other items. Okay.
Ugh. I got the goosebumps now.
Okay, everybody. Next item. Head over.
Ow.
Next item.
Better not be gross stuff, dude. That was super gross.
Okay, everybody. This is kind of good. I like this. Okay. Would you like to smell? I love this stuff, and you love this stuff. Open it. Open it. No, you can't guess before. You have to taste it. I have to put. Okay, open.
It's hold on. Let me give it another smell.
You have to eat it, and then
It smells.
you have to eat it, and then you. No, you have to
Let me
eat
just
the.
take a
Oh,
little.
no.
It's
You
honey.
You have to eat all of it.
It tastes like honey though.
No, you have to eat all of it.
Let me just
You
have
can't.
a
No. No, I ate all of it.
Okay.
No. Eat it all.
Okay.
Open up. No, open. I'm not gonna be pranking Pat.
Oh, that is so good. Is it butterscotch?
No.
What?
Strike 1. No.
Is it caramel? Is it like melted caramel?
No.
Oh, that is super good though.
One more. We'll try. Okay. One more try.
Give me a little bit more.
Another whiff.
That tastes good.
I'm gonna give it another little whiff. Okay. You get one more taste.
It's so good.
Just you get one more shot. Try.
So it's not butterscotch and it's not caramel.
No.
I really don't know. Okay. What was it?
It is. Head up.
Oh.
It is log cabin syrup, everybody.
Oh, that was super
Log
good though.
cabin syrup.
That was good. Tasted like butterscotch and caramel mixed together.
Okay. Next item.
Oh my gosh, it better not be gross. Guys, pray for me.
Now, he has to eat this last one because I had to eat my last one. First, it might be a tie, but he's -2. So I have to pick up one more item after this to give to him. Just because it's fair. Okay, he can have a snack. Here's a hint.
Ranch.
It's some kind of ranch. You can put it on sandwiches. No, open them all the way.
Oh, that's spicy.
No, you have to eat it. You have to eat all of it. Water. Here's water. What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
Oh, is that cucumber ranch?
No.
Oh, that is super hot. Oh.
Okay, next one. Next try. Say it again.
I can open my eyes though, okay?
Yeah, I have it behind my back. Okay, he has 2 more tries to guess what it is.
Ugh. So it's some kind of ranch.
Well, you put it on sandwiches. I wouldn't say ranch.
So if is it like this like island?
Something with an H in front of it. Like the first letter is H, and then the next is R.
Like, hold on, what? HR.
The first thing in the whole thing is H. Then it's R. The second word is R. Like R-A-D. R-A-D. Rad. Okay? There's 2 more tries.
It's some kind of ranch. Oh.
It's not ranch. R-A-D. Ranch isn't spelled with rad.
So it's like. So like, is it like that mustard or something?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, that was his last try.
Well, that's my. This
Okay,
is my last. This is
he has
my last.
one more try. One more. One more try. Would you like another taste?
No, obviously I'm not good at guessing. But
I was.
yeah. But it's spicy.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
what
I give up.
Okay, it was horseradish.
What?
Horseradish.
No one. Oh, that was super hot though.
Horseradish sauce.
Okay, well that is the end of our video.
No, we have one. Since he didn't guess any, we have one more.
I guess I suck, guys.
So bye-bye.
Bye. See us on our next video.